Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how to make V-shaped base gele using satin fabric, and these are the materials we'll be needing: satin fabric, pair of scissors, measuring tape, and also chalk. So here is my satin fabric. This is going to serve as the V in front of the gele. So I'll measure 15 inches as width. I'm just going to mark that. And then for the length, I'll measure 14 inches. So I'm going to trace that using the chalk and also cut it out. Using the same measurement, I'm still going to cut out another piece of fabric. So I'm going to have two pieces of fabrics with the same measurement. So here we have it, guys. These are the two pieces of fabrics. I have 15 inches as width and then 14 inches as length. So on the part where we have the width, I'm going to fold it in like this before stitching. I'll fold it in 2 times like this, just so that I can have a neat work. I'm just going to fold it in like this and stitch with my machine, and I'll be doing that quickly off camera, but I'll be doing this only on the width. So I've done that, guys. At this point, I'm going to start making pleats, and in order for me to do this, I'll be using pins to secure the folds that I am making. I actually call them folds. You can call them folds, you can call them pleats. So I'm just going to make pleats and I'll be securing everything down with pins. So I'll make pleats on this piece of fabric and then also make pleats on the other piece of fabric. So I'll make about 7 pleats here and also make 7 pleats on the other piece of fabric. Once you're done making your pleats, use pressing iron. Just pick up your pressing iron and press your pleats just to hold everything down so that they can look more beautiful and neat. And I quickly did mine off camera, and this was what I had. So I'm going to place the 2 pieces of fabrics like this. In order for me to have a V, I'm going to place everything like this. And then after placing it like this, I'm going to stitch using the machine. I'm done stitching at this point. I'm going to cut out the excess on the both sides of the V-shaped fabric. Once you're done, cut out another piece of fabric for the body of the gele and measure 21 inches as width and 14 inches as length. This is going to be attached to the V-shaped fabric. After cutting that out, I'm going to fold the edges using the same method I used for the V-shaped gele. I'm just going to fold it in like this and stitch. So once you're done doing all of that, pick up the base fabric like this and then fold it into 2 like this so that you can get the middle, and that's what I'll just quickly do in this video. In order for me to get the middle, I'm going to mark out that area using chalk, and then after doing that, I'll place the body of the gele on top the V-shaped fabric that I have right there. I'm going to place the middle on top the V-shaped fabric right there and then secure the 2 fabrics using pins. And then after securing, I'll take them to my machine and then stitch them together so that they become one. So once you're done stitching, this is what you're going to have. Away from the V-shaped fabric, I'm going to leave a little bit of allowance, like half an inch right there, and then cut out the excess so that when I fold in the fabric like this, I can just quickly and easily stitch everything up so that my work actually looks neat. So that's just the purpose, and I'll be doing the same thing on the both sides of the fabric. I'm just going to leave like half an inch on the both sides of the fabric and then fold with my machine. I'm going to just stitch everything so that everything looks neat. So this measurement right here is for the hook. This is what is going to enable me knot the gele at the back, and I'll cut out 2 pieces using the same measurement. I'll measure 6 inches as length and then 3 inches as width, and then after doing that, I'm going to fold the width of the fabric like this and then stitch. I'm just going to fold the width of the fabric like this and stitch, and I'll be stitching the both sides. Once you're done doing that, this is how you're going to stitch the hook. Fold in the fabric like this, fold the both sides of the fabric like this, which is the length of the fabric. Just try making it look like you're trying to wrap a pie, and then stitch everything up like this. After folding, just stitch using your machine, as simple as ABC. So I'll just repeat the same thing on the other piece of the hook also. So this right here is my Velcro. I'm just going to attach this on the body of the hook. I'm just going to attach it like this. While attaching your Velcro to your base gele, make sure that one of it faces downwards. Then after doing that, you can then stitch everything. Then the second Velcro should face upwards so that when you take everything to the back, they will meet and then they will just hook at the back. I do hope that you guys understand. So I'm just going to practicalize that right now. I'm going to place the second one upwards like this, while the first one should face downwards. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you'll get the notification and you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.